Streams are living, breathing things and very tough to control. DEP has put together a really useful book, Guidelines for Maintaining Streams in Your Community, that helps identify the do's and don'ts for folks that have interest and concerns about streams in their backyard or in their community. This book is a really easy and straightforward guide to identify some of the things that can be done without a permit, some things that require some consultation with the department, and other things that probably are just bad for your downstream or upstream neighbors. Within the guide, there's a really easy to understand green light, yellow light, red light description of what can be done and where the department should be pulled in.
Oftentimes after storm events, the community gives us a call and has questions or concerns about flooding, debris that might be in a stream, gravel bars that have accumulated after a storm event. And some of those things can be taken care of with some minor permitting, and some of those things can be taken care of with no permitting. So oftentimes after a storm event, you may get floatable debris that has accumulated in the stream channel. That could be things like trash, branches, trees that may have fallen during the storm and have caused a blockage in the channel. Floatable debris like that can be removed without any permits. We usually ask that you contact the department or your local conservation district to discuss the project with them first, but oftentimes that type of work does not require a permit. There are sometimes the need to do some earthwork. That could be removal of gravel bars or stream bank stabilization if you have stream banks that are eroding. Oftentimes those types of activities can be permitted under a general permit or a GP, and that's a fairly simple permitting process that the department can help you work through. If it's an emergency type of situation, we do have the ability to issue emergency permits if there's an immediate threat to life, property, or the environment. So an emergency permit is a possibility after a storm event as well.
Oftentimes what you think is an easy fix may actually cause more damage in the long run. You may be creating a legacy problem that will last 15 to 20 years and be nearly impossible to solve. Call us, we're here to help. We want to be there making sure that decisions are made that are both helping you but also not harming your upstream or downstream neighbor.